The 2-week date challenge, transform your health. Dates, not only a delicious treat, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of eating dates daily for 2 weeks. But before we dive in, make sure to show some love by liking this video, commenting below, and subscribing to our channel. At the end of this video we have incorporated different ways you can enjoy your dates. So, let's dive in. The benefits of eating dates. Benefit number 1. Improved digestion. Dates are packed with dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. By incorporating dates into your daily diet for just 2 weeks, the high fiber content in dates can help promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy digestive system. Benefit number 2. Increased energy levels. Need a natural energy boost? Dates are the answer. Dates are a natural source of carbohydrates and sugars. Their natural sugars, including fructose and glucose, provide a quick and sustained source of energy. By enjoying dates every day for 2 weeks, you can experience enhanced energy levels throughout the day. Benefit number 3. Enhanced nutrient intake. Dates are a treasure trove of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Over the course of 2 weeks, regularly consuming dates can help you meet your daily requirements of potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. I hope you are enjoying the video. Before we proceed, show some love by liking this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have incorporated different ways you can enjoy your dates. Benefit number 4. Potential weight management support. Despite their sweetness, dates have a low glycemic index and contain fiber, which can promote a feeling of fullness and control appetite. Including dates in a balanced diet, while being mindful of portion sizes, can potentially support your weight management goals. Benefit number 5. Improved heart health. Dates are a great source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. By incorporating dates into your daily routine for just 2 weeks, you can contribute to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Benefit number 6. Antioxidant protection. Dates are rich in antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Enjoying dates regularly over 2 weeks can strengthen your body's defense against oxidative stress. Benefit number 7. Skin health benefits. The vitamins and antioxidants found in dates can promote healthier skin. By consuming dates daily for 2 weeks, you may notice improved skin elasticity, collagen production, and protection against oxidative stress, resulting in a radiant complexion. So, there you have it. Eating dates every day for just 2 weeks can bring a range of incredible benefits, from improved digestion and increased energy levels to enhanced heart health and glowing skin. Incorporate this delicious and nutritious fruit into your routine and experience the positive impact on your overall well-being. Here are some different ways to enjoy dates. But before then, make sure to show some love by liking this video, commenting below, and subscribing to our channel for more engaging and eye-catching content. 1. Fresh and whole. Simply enjoy dates in their natural, fresh form. They are sweet and chewy, making them a delicious and convenient snack on their own. 2. Stuffed with nut butter. Cut open a date and remove the pit. Fill the cavity with your favorite nut butter, such as almond butter or peanut butter. This combination adds a creamy and savory element to the sweetness of dates. 3. Date smoothie. Blend pitted dates with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, along with other ingredients like bananas, nuts, and a dash of cinnamon. This creates a creamy and naturally sweet smoothie that can be enjoyed for breakfast or as a refreshing snack. 4. Date energy balls. Combine dates with nuts, seeds, and other desired ingredients in a food processor. Blend until a sticky mixture forms. Roll the mixture into small balls and refrigerate them. These energy balls are a nutritious and satisfying snack to grab on the go. 5. Date desserts. Incorporate dates into desserts for a healthier twist. They can be used as a natural sweetener and binder in recipes like date bars, date squares, or even as a replacement for sugar in baked goods like cookies and cakes. 6. Date paste. Make a date paste by blending pitted dates with water in a food processor until smooth. Use this paste as a natural sweetener in various recipes like smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or as a spread on toast. 7. Date salad topping. Slice dates and sprinkle them on top of salads to add a touch of sweetness and chewiness. They pair well with greens, nuts, and cheese, creating a delightful flavor and texture contrast. 8. Date chutney. Simmer chopped dates with vinegar, spices, and a touch of sweetness until it thickens into a chutney-like consistency. This versatile chutney can be served with cheeses, roasted meats, or used as a dip or spread. There you have it. Remember, dates are naturally sweet, so they can be a healthier alternative to refined sugar in various recipes. Enjoy exploring these different ways to incorporate dates into your diet and savor their unique flavor and texture. Thank you for joining us today on Health Facts Finder. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep shining. Stay healthy, stay happy.